Hey guys, this is Thyanne Garcia and welcome to my channel. I am going to do a nutrition, health, superfood video today than my regular normal videos I do. And I'm going to be talking about spirulina. I'm not just going to be talking about it, but I'm also going to share a recipe for you. I just started the spirulina and I'm just trying to try it with a bunch of different things, and this is one of the recipes that I made up. So I'm going to share it with you guys, and I will share also the benefits of spirulina right here on the edge of my screen. And if you have any questions or comments, I'm not a nutritionist. I kind of want to be one, but I don't know if I have the time for it just to get the certification for it. But it does seem kind of exciting to me. However, I will show you a recipe with spirulina. And I got this from Thrive Market on my first order. And I bought 3 things. This is one of them. I got chlorella, and then I also got goji berries from Thrive Market. This is not a sponsored video. However, I am enjoying Thrive Market so far. So I will show you right next to me a little bit about Thrive Market and what I like about it.
Okay guys, so this is how their website looks like. They categorize things by diet and their brand and a bunch of other stuff. As you can see, there's 2 free keto snacks as their promo right now if you buy the amount that they want. And there's some of the stuff that I bought, some of the recommendations they gave me, and some things that are new. They usually have new things, which is really cool. They also have meal packages, which is really interesting if you guys want to prep real easy meals. And I'm just going to keep scrolling down here. There's a lot of things here that you guys can buy. And now I'm going to go to the values of their store. There's a lot of things here: gluten-free, paleo, raw, vegan, non-GMO, kosher, USDA approved, and a bunch of other stuff that they have here if you guys want to look at that. They're very good with environment, which is really awesome, and they support a lot of good things. Now I'm just going to go to the keto section, and I actually usually go to this section quite a bit, but it's really good. They're trying to show you some of the stuff that they have. It's really cool how they categorize everything. And they also have a cheaper price than the actual store-bought prices because it is they're sold at wholesale prices. That means it's really cheaper than what you normally would find them as. So I usually go in here and go buy some stuff. It's really cool. There's some of the other stuff that they sell. But yeah, so just you guys check it out. I'm not sponsored for this video. Here's some of the lists that I have, and now I'm just gonna go back to our video.
And now I am going to show you a recipe that I made up. So here we go. So first we're gonna get your blend cup, whatever blender that you have. And I have a Ninja. I'm not sponsored again, but I am using a Ninja. And what you're going to do is you're going to get some mango. So I already opened some mango and sliced them up. Well, my mom sliced them up. And I'm going to put them inside my cup. Now, it might be better if you actually cut them into smaller pieces, but because I am in a rush, I will just put the mango inside, and I will put some vanilla soy milk. I think almond milk will be fine, but I'm gonna use soy milk because it's actually thinner than almond milk and it's not as thick. And I'm not gonna share you guys like the amount that I'm putting in, but I might put it, I don't know, just give it a look and then try putting it in. And then I'm going to use 1 banana. I'm going to stick that in there. One banana. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of ice. And then the most important part, obviously, is the spirulina powder. Now, I heard and I've seen on a couple videos that spirulina is suggested for just like 1 teaspoon a day. So I'm gonna put half a teaspoon because I think I want to use the other half on something else. It's a little messy, but look at this cool color, and it's green. I don't have the blue spirulina. I kind of want to buy one with blue spirulina, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it yet because I still have a lot of spirulina to use. I'm gonna zip that up. And what you also want to do is, because spirulina has a little bit of flavor, I'm kind of trying to mask that flavor. It smells like, it kind of smells like, well, it's algae, so it's kind of like the ocean, for example, like kind of fishy, kind of not, but it's algae. So now I'm just gonna put pure vanilla extract. I'm gonna peel this open. And again, sorry guys, I'm in a rush, so and then I'll just put like a little bit, just like a bit, very little, because this is pure extract. And then put that away. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a sweetener of your choice. I would prefer agave, well, sugar is okay, but I'm trying to be more on the healthy side. So I'm using organic maple syrup. I'm gonna use that first, and then I don't know if you guys like that flavor, but I'm just gonna use this because it's more healthier. And I'm just gonna put a little bit. You might want to put more if you don't like the flavor as much, or if you want a little bit more sweetness, but I'm just gonna leave it at that. And I might add some more soy milk after this if it doesn't blend all the way. So really I'm just using my eyes to do it, but this is basically the recipe. So now I got my blender thing in, and I'm gonna start blending it in my Ninja. So make sure this is tight enough. Flip it over, and I'm gonna blend it. So now that it's well blended, I'm gonna open this up. Whoa, we need to rinse them. Put it on the side. And it's a really cool color. Look at that. It's a really cool color. But it smells good. It just smells like banana and mango. So I just got a cup and a spoon. I already have ice in here. I just wanted a little bit more ice, but I'm gonna pour it in. Oh, what is that? Looks like I didn't blend it all the way. And we're gonna try it. So let's see how it tastes like. So you can't even taste the spirulina. It's actually really good. This is like a mango. Just tastes like mango and banana actually. But it's really healthy for you. Anyways, so thanks for watching my channel. I hope that you will find new ways to make spirulina smoothies or spirulina anything. This is just a recipe that I just made up, and I'm gonna be bringing this to work. So I might be bringing it to work. I don't know if I'm gonna drink all of it, but you guys enjoy your drink and have a great day. Okay, so actually I let the rest of the family enjoy my smoothie with me. So anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying your smoothie if you made it, and I hope that you try out this recipe. Tell me what you guys think about this recipe in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, okay? Thanks so much for watching my video, and have a great day.